Hi, I'm Van with Elite Exteriors Roofing and Restoration Company. I'm out here in Little Rock, Arkansas area, and I just met with a guy out here, and we're just inspecting these roofs out here. And so he's going to show me where a leak is. They're having a leak in the building, so follow me. All right. All right, where's that leak at, sir? Okay, so he's having a leak right here around this fan here in the bathroom. All right, so we're going to go up on the roof and identify why he's having that leak. Hey guys, I'm back with you. So we met with the tenant down there. He showed us that where he's having this leak in the bathroom around the fan area, and so it was really easy. I'm up on the roof now, but it was really easy to identify exactly what the problem was. And so whoever installed this roof did not do a good job. They either didn't know what they were doing, or they just used, you know, whatever they had left over as far as material wise. I mean, screws, these 1-inch screws is the problem. You know, you're supposed to use 2.5 or 3-inch screws when you install this ridge vent, and that keeps the ridge vent from flying off, you know, and doing what it's doing. When it rains and the wind's blowing, the wind is pushing the rain up under the ridge vent. So the wind is raising this vent up, and then the rain gets down in it. So anyway, guys, just, you know, do your due diligence when you pick a contractor. Make sure you hire the right contractor, and it's not always really easy to you know, figure out what contractor is the right contractor. There's a lot of good ones, there's a lot of bad ones. But the main thing is look for a contractor a company that's, you know, not just a contractor, but a company, somebody that's been in business for a while. You know, like with us, Elite Exteriors, we've got the #1 roofing company 2 years in a row in Hot Springs. You know, we're an established company. We've been in business for a long time. We have an office right across from the track there in Hot Springs. So if you ever have a problem with anything that we've done, you can come right on in. We've got a 15-20 man office. You can say, okay, well, hey, you know, Van, he said he was going to do this, but he didn't do it, or, you know, or anything. You know, I've got a leak, you know, and then we're right on top of it. You know, customer service is the most important thing to us. You guys are the people. Y'all put food on my table. Y'all provide for my family, so we want to take care of you. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.